she said 2 months or shortly after the marriage you got off, went off into another relationship with another woman who was large and cheated on her? What's that all about?
She wasn't
He gave her a ring, Your Honor. He gave her a ring.
What's that? Is she right? She telling the truth?
Yeah, she is.
So tell me about it.
But she wasn't that big.
Okay, well, so
She
why did you
committed-
have to go find somebody else, period?
Because to be honest with you, I got tired of our relationship. I got tired of our marriage because we had no communication.
After a month?
After a month?
Yes.
How long had you been together before that?
And I was pregnant.
Wait a minute, a month after the marriage, there's no communication, no relationship. Sounds like to me there wasn't much communication before except sex.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right about that.
Oh, so
he wasn't
because how
getting it.
long had you known her before, you know, you were married a month, before you married her? How long?
3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
We met at a fair. We met at a fair. And he was working at one of the rides. My daughter ran over there, and that's how we started talking.
And she was insecure to come on there because she thought I was going to make fun about her weight then.
It was a little kiddie ride. I couldn't get on that thing.
What interested you in your wife? You said there was no communication after a month, so what was going on within 3 months that got you excited enough to marry her?
Well, when I first met her, I liked her eyes. Her eyes pretty and blue and everything. You know what I mean?
Oh, you liked her pretty blue eyes?
Yeah, most definitely.
And did you think you could live on that for the rest of your life to death do you part?
No, not at all, not at all, not at all. But when the communication, I mean, it fluctuates.
What
it goes
else
up
did
and
you
down.
like that made you want to marry her after 3 months?
The sex was good, too.
Oh.
Yeah,
But he wasn't getting it after he kept calling me names. I withheld it from him.
Oh, you stopped having sex
I
with him?
sure did.
Yeah.
So you withheld from him, was that 2 months after the marriage or
No.
6 months
2
or what?
years, Your Honor.
2 kids.
So 2 years after the marriage?
Yes.
So obviously she forgave you for the affair you had a month after the marriage?
We didn't even sleep together. I just gave her my page number. We talked, we communicated,
Gave her a ring.
and that was it.
Did you give her a ring?
Yeah, a little bitty ring.
What, some kind of little friendship ring?
I'm sorry?
A friendship ring?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Something you got out the Cracker Jack box?
There you go.
No.
Yes, Your Honor.
He stole it from my sister to give it to her.
Oh, no, that is a,
Yes.
that is a
So now
lie.
he's a thief?
That is a
My
lie.
sister said,
That is a lie.
Shelley, where's
Well, that is the-
my
Hold on a
silver
second, what?
ring?
Your sister said what?
Where's my silver ring? The same girl described the same ring to me that he had given her.
But you say there was a lack of communication a month after the marriage. That's why I went out and was talking to this other woman and gave her a ring. But yet you stayed in the marriage another 4 years. So what, you all started
No, the
talking?
communication was going back and forth, back and forth. Everything was working out pretty cool.
So you finally started talking with each other?
Yeah, we started communicating, but then again, after that, things went downhill.
He didn't know how to communicate.
So that's when she stopped having sex with you?
Most definitely.
And how long did you stay in the house after that?
35, 45 days.
That's all?
Yeah.
He kept track. I
So
guess.
what'd you do?
I left.
Oh, so when she wasn't talking to you, you went out and found somebody else to talk to and gave him a ring. When she stopped having sex with you, you didn't go out and have sex with anybody else. You just left.
Yes, I just
No,
left.
And
he
declared
did.
the marriage over.
No, Your Honor, he did meet somebody else. He has sex because he has another baby with her.
Already?
She's 7 months old. The baby is.
7 months.
How can she fault me for having another baby? She had a baby before I even met her.
Oh,
That was before I
now
met
that is
you.
so
What's wrong with you? We weren't married.
How
It's
can
so
she fault
silly.
me?
Let me tell you why she fought you.
Stupid.
Because before you met her, she could have had 10 children or done anything.
that's-
Hush your mouth. That was a dumb statement. Because before marriage, she could have done anything with her life, and you had a choice, and you knew that she had the baby. She hadn't made a commitment to you, so whatever she did before marriage is not the issue.
So if
you
I went out-
married and made a commitment to each other. That's when you're supposed to stop.
So if I went out and found somebody else, I'm at fault for that?
You just wasn't man enough to
I'm
stay
going to
with
let
the
you answer
marriage.
that question for yourself.
I'm not.
Oh, please.
When divorce court continues.
What's going on with that?
Because we're all staying with him. And his,
Excuse me?
and his girlfriend.
Excuse me?